Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Saturday continued hearing the arguments from the counsel representing former editor-in-chief of Tahalka magazine Tarun Tejpal in 2013 rape case. The Goa government has filed appeal challenging the Tarun Tejpal's acquittal in this rape case and has challenged the verdict, the judgment pronounced by the MAPSA Additional Sessions Court. Tarun Tejpal was acquitted by the trial court, but in the appeal challenging the acquittal, it is case of Goa government that the court has ignored some crucial evidences and misinterpreted the statements and evidences. Since Thursday, the High Court was hearing the arguments from the counsel representing Tarun Tejpal, and the focus of the defense side is that the statement of the complainant girl herself is contradictory and controversial. During these 3 days hearing, the defense side also shown the CCTV footage of the crime scene and tried to point out the discrepancies in the statement, deposition before the court and the actual scene of crime in sense of the CCTV footage recorded, and which explains the crime which was committed in the lift and CCTV was installed just outside the lift. But the defense side has contended that the CCTV footage does not corroborate or support the statements of the complainant, hence the acquittal should be upheld. The High Court has now fixed date of 30th July to hear rejoinder arguments from both the sides. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.